Hi, welcome to 1 Minute Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to add slow motion effect to your clips in Adobe Premiere Pro in 1 minute. You can see now the clip is playing at normal speed, which is pretty fast. We want to make it play in slow motion. First, select the video sequence, right-click and select Speed, Duration. Adjust the speed by dragging the duration or type in the percentage of which speed you want your clip to play at. Let's say I want my clip to play at 43% of the normal speed. Under Time Interpolation tab, click Optical Flow, then hit OK. Our clip now plays very laggy because the effect is too much for Premiere Pro to handle directly in the timeline. To fix this, select the video sequence, go to Sequence, and click Render Selection. Premiere Pro will now render our clip with the slow-mo effect added so it can play back smoothly. This process duration depends on how long your footage is and how strong your computer is. Now you can see our video is playing at slow motion very smoothly. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.